Cashew milk, 10 reasons to make the switch. Whether you're leaving traditional dairy out of your diet for personal preferences or health reasons, replacing milk with other options is quite simple these days, with several alternatives for milk available readily. Cashew milk is another delicious option, and whether you make it yourself or buy off-the-shelf products, it is a highly nutritious addition to your diet with some amazing health benefits. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on cashew milk, 10 reasons to make the switch. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Maintains bone health. One of the most touted benefits of drinking milk is the amount of calcium you get from it, which is deemed to be essential for bone health. While there's no denying milk's part in keeping bones healthy, cashew milk goes one step further with its mineral content. It packs potassium and magnesium along with calcium to give your bones strength and structure. Beyond that, cashew milk is also rich in vitamin K, one helping to offer 12% of the daily recommended amount, which is an impressive bone-building nutrient by itself. Lowers the risk of heart disease. One of the most impressive nutritional benefits of going for plant-based dairy, like cashew milk, is the decreased amount of unhealthy fats. Cashew milk is filled with unsaturated fatty acids, which makes it a great item for people at risk of heart disease. Moreover, cashew milk is also loaded with minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which several studies have shown to boost heart health. With cashew milk, you can better regulate the number of fats that are stored in your body, and lesser fat means a healthier heart. However, go for homemade cashew milk since the industrial variant does not boast the essential minerals in such strong amounts. Helps you lose weight. Milk is one essential part of your diet that tends to make you fat, even if it is packed full of nutrition. However, cashew milk can actually help you manage weight rather than gain it. This may seem impossible given that 46% of cashews are essentially fat. What makes up for it is the large amount of fiber that cashews bring. The fiber makes you feel full, halting impulses to snack or eat more than necessary. So if you're looking for a dairy alternative that keeps your weight in check, cashew milk is just what you need. Keeps your eyes healthy. It's a general fact that your eyes tend to weaken as you age, in what is known as age-related macular degeneration, also known as AMD. According to studies, this condition becomes a greater risk if the body has low levels of antioxidants, such as zeaxanthin and lutein. These antioxidants tend to sweep away free radicals inside the blood, helping prevent damage to cells in your eyes. They essentially keep your eyes healthier, something that lowers the risk of the complications caused by AMD. Cashew milk is packed with both these antioxidants, giving your eyes the health boost they need to weather the effects of age. Aids in blood clotting. Vitamin K does more than make your bones strong. It is also an essential agent in blood clotting. Studies have revealed that a deficiency in vitamin K can lead to excessive bleeding since the body's clotting symptoms become compromised. Vitamin K deficiency isn't that common, but it can be a major issue for people suffering from malabsorption conditions such as inflammatory bowel disorder, IBD, and others. Cashew milk, with its significant quantity of vitamin K, is one food that can help you bring in the vitamin K your body lacks. Regulates blood sugar. The nutritional benefits of cashew milk benefit people looking to regulate their blood glucose levels. Cashew milk has lesser carbohydrates than traditional dairy, ensuring that blood sugar levels don't rise as much due to it. However, more than that, it's the presence of a substance known as anacardic acid that is believed to increase the uptake of glucose by muscle cells and tissues, essentially diminishing its presence inside the blood. This makes cashew milk the ideal choice for people suffering from diabetes and looking to strictly monitor their blood sugar. Boosts immunity. Cashew milk is loaded with minerals that help the body in various ways. One of these minerals is zinc, which is an essential part of a strong immune system. It helps in the development and function of several immune functions and cells. A lack of zinc inside the blood is strongly linked with several immune deficiencies. Beyond that, the antioxidants that cashew milk brings also help in boosting immunity and keeping the body strong against toxins and harmful microorganisms. Keeps your skin healthy. Another mineral that cashew milk comes loaded with is copper. Much like the others discussed above, copper provides several benefits to the human body, with one of its most prominent benefits being skin health. Copper helps in the development of collagen and elastin, two proteins that offer the skin much of its structural integrity and elasticity. The presence of both makes sure that your skin stays healthy and fresh, just like you want it. However, you need to opt for homemade cashew milk rather than store-bought options. There are far more protein and copper in the cashew milk you make yourself. May have anti-cancer effects. Another beneficial aspect of antioxidants is their role in ridding the body of toxins and harmful substances, such as carcinogens. Due to a large number of antioxidants inside it, cashew milk is believed to have several anti-cancer effects that can decrease the chances of the body developing such complications. The removal of harmful free radicals is what helps the most in this, as they can damage the cells and trigger mutations in body cells. Cashew milk is believed to help prevent cancers of the skin, colon, prostate, breast and liver. May alleviate iron deficiency anemia. Iron is another mineral that cashew milk provides to your bloodstream. The most prominent benefit that iron provides is helping improve the number of red blood cells and make them stronger, as it is the main constituent of hemoglobin, the oxygen carrier of the blood. An increase in iron levels can help in dealing with anemia, making it easier for people suffering from the symptoms. We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on cashew milk, 10 reasons to make the switch, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure you browse our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.